Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Razr Fold, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the section apps. Then let's scroll down again and go to special app access, and here scroll and find install unknown apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So for example, I'd like to download the app from Chrome. So all we need to do is to tap on Chrome and tap on this switcher next to allow from the source, and now you can see that the Chrome is allowed. However, you need to be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.